On the Binance one-day chart, Bitcoin broke down from the green trend line, as I said in previous video linked above, that it would move to fill the CME gap at the pink line around 114,000. I also said a good long opportunity is when price touches the green VWAP line, which I mentioned several videos ago about this being the downside target. We can see it move down to touch the value area high orange line of the large fixed range volume profile and retested the previous high. If price can get above VWAP line and pink 114K line, then we can see a nice bounce. A rejection here will see price go lower back to 112,000, which it must hold. A reclaim of the value area low orange line on the local mini fixed range volume profile, FRVP, would be bullish. We can see this FRVP was well respected on the move down, breaking its POC pink line, then value area low orange line. Full confirmation of a large move up will be when price gets back above the green trend line. Price retested this orange breakout line as I mentioned in several videos. It must now remain above it or it will be a sign of weakness. On the CME Bitcoin chart, we see the gap is filled and we need to see a big parabolic bounce here, or a drop to the red line below on CME chart will happen. The USDT chart shows it went to the white MA 144 as I said, and that would make Bitcoin drop to 114,000. It has gone higher, and on the RSI the green trend line is nearly invalidated unless it now uses this trend line to break down, which would make Bitcoin price go up. We need the USDT chart to go under the white MA 144 to continue the price rise of Bitcoin. A lower high here is not a good sign for Bitcoin's price. Check out this free trading view indicator I made. It works on any chart, and it's amazing how the default settings can help people make better trades on altcoins or Bitcoin. You just look in indicators on TradingView and type in RSI divergence strategy and find this one by me. It is totally free forever. Now we use it to look at something very interesting on Bitcoin long-term monthly chart. Look at how each time it showed up the bear alert on the RSI, it signaled the very top of the cycle of Bitcoin. Look at the current setup where Bitcoin has already alerted the bear signal. What does this mean? Is the top already in? Is Bitcoin about to change its cycle? Now the big boys are playing this game with an ETF? Just look at how weak the RSI is compared to price candles on chart. This is not a good sign at all, and is something to be aware of. If the RSI can't get above this green dotted line on RSI, there could be a bear market coming real soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and the bell notification.